Hi ETT squad, we have a huge adventure in this trip. We're staying at the Riviera Resort. This is so awesome, I love this. We're here at Animal Kingdom and we're gonna take you finally to Planet Batu. Just gonna crack the camera down. Okay, this is one thing new right now. Check this out. We usually walk through these shops. The shops are closed, or it might be the other entrance might be open because a lot of entrances are closed.
It says closed.
Closed completely? Oh no. And that's like usually where the heat, I have my water, it's kind of like air conditioning, so I'm like putting it around me so I don't heat up. But yeah, a lot of fun stuff in this video, so stay tuned and make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. A lot of fun. See you in a little bit. Let's go.
Adventurers and explorers, returning from her latest river adventure, please welcome Pandora.
Yeah, so Island Mercantile on that side is closed, but this side, the Discovery Trading Company, it's open. Yeah, so we walk to this side because there's only one entrance. You know how they had several entrances to come in the stores? Yeah, this is the entrance, and then of course I can't imagine when the crowds are here because there's no crowds. This is gonna be, imagine the line when people are here, social distancing 6 feet. But yeah, it's awesome that it's empty. Good news, you can take your face mask. We're in a relaxing area. We finally found them here at Pizza Safari. And they got it trapped right there so the animals, the giraffes and lions can't get in. Show them. And you can't touch this anymore.
You can't touch this.
No. They used to cool you off because it sprinkled water. Too bad.
You can't touch this.
So awesome. Look, 10-minute wait in the standby. Let's go check it out. Come on. Yeah, all right, welcome over.
How do you drink one?
Absolutely. This is the best part. That view right there, that view is gorgeous right here. That's for sure. World of Avatar and Planet Batu, the best. Right? The best spots. That's what Baby Yoda likes. Both we like it and Baby Yoda likes it. This place is empty. We're going to stand by right now 10 minutes. So we're definitely going to take advantage of this place. Check out our favorite spot. Actually, the lobbies are inside, so now look at the cave how cool inside. That's a cool view right here. All these views are cool. There's the lobby.
Thank you for visiting us today. Just a few reminders. Please wear a face covering. Clean your hands often and thoroughly. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing. And maintain physical distancing. Thank you.
Oh my god, he thinks we're in Planet Batu. It looks so familiar, doesn't it? It's the same type of atmosphere. Look at this. ETT squad. Lovey is 6'6". The Navi's a lot taller.
12 feet or so.
12 feet? Wow. Baby Yoda doesn't, he wants to go save the Navi. What do you think about the Navi, Baby Yoda? He's gonna break the glass and release the Navi. Right here, he's gonna break this glass right here and that one. Baby Baby Yoda, are you excited for your little vacay?
You ready to lay low and stretch your legs for a couple of months, you little womp rat? Nobody's gonna find us here.
He's been using so many magic powers on his vacation. And he's excited to ride on Flight of Passage on a Banshee. Those are all the Banshees right there, Baby Yoda. Is this the part where you're gonna edit The Shining? Empty hallways, long hallways. Look, there's no one here. There's no one here. So look at this, no one here. There's no one here.
Here's something new.
Yeah, we gotta figure out. Oh, the Navi. We haven't done that video. Check it in our playlist, our Animal Kingdom playlist. You'll like that video. You ride on with us Flight of Passage when it first opened. Oh no, Baby Yoda, now he wants to crack these shields.
You can't touch this.
Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage.
welcome back. Please step off the link chair, gather your belongings, and exit
That
the link
was so
chamber.
awesome.
Then put on your flight visors.
Oh, I gotta tell you, TT Squad, lots of stuff.
For your safety, throughout this entire experience, remain seated.
Welcome back. You made everything good?
Yeah,
The best, right? Yeah, welcome back, travelers. 4.1 years.
This ride is unbelievable, right, Lovey? It felt like a piece of heaven with all this stuff going on right now. God, that was a quick little break. I loved it. It's always fun, right? And one good thing right now, since it's such low capacity at the resorts and the parks, you can just walk on the rides. That's what's beautiful. It's standby. It's quick. It's so nice, huh? There's just something about that ride. It's the best ride. Comment below if you really love that ride a lot. If you've been on it. We just bumped into Madeline, one of our subscribers from ETT Squad. So awesome to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too.
Good. How did you like the ride?
I loved it. My friend Ken over there loved it too.
Yeah? You're having a good time with your family?
Yes, we are.
I'm so glad.
Say that.
It's always good to bump into ETT Squad. I love all of you guys. It makes me so happy.
Yep.
And did you watch our live video yesterday?
I did not, but I'll have to check it out later.
It's a little cringy because the quality was not good. The video was so raw.
Sweet 16.
Oh, Sweet 16, come in our video. I didn't know that. And another one, what's your name? Tempest, another subscriber, ETT Squad. So good to meet both of you. God, I love meeting you guys.
We're from Massachusetts.
Oh, Massachusetts. So you like it out here right now?
Yep.
Yeah. It's a little. I know. They're hot, right? It's a little different wearing the mask right now. But the only good thing is the capacity's low.
Yes.
So you can go on all the rides.
Yes. We just said that we could do that ride all day.
I know. This ride's the best. So it's nice to meet you.
It was nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you. I love ETT Squad. You guys are awesome. No way. Look who we found. We found Humphrey. Humphrey, how have you been? Humphrey thinks we traded Humphrey for Baby Yoda. So he thinks I'm a traitor. So sorry, Humphrey.
Does he still breathe fire?
Yeah, he still breathes fire.
Sure.
Come on, Humphrey, breathe some fire. That's a good boy. You're awesome. Alright, ETT Squad, make sure you watch our video. If you haven't seen our video, it's right when it opened, Flight of Passage, and we had Humphrey. You're awesome, Humphrey.